Okay, so if I have now, it is saying if 4 students sit on each bench, one bench is left. If 4 students sit on each bench, one bench is left. That means I have y minus 1 benches. Y minus 1 benches. And how many students are sitting on each bench? 4 students, right? So on y minus 1 benches, 4 students are sitting, that is becoming x. Okay, I will explain you again. So in a 10th class we have x number of students and y number of benches. So x minus 1 students are sitting on y benches. So that becomes x minus y equal to 3y. And now if 4 students sit on each bench and one bench is left. Okay. So I am saying x, the number of students equal to total benches is y. Y minus 1 is the actual benches that the students are occupying, and on each bench 4 students are sitting. So 4 times of y minus 1. So this becomes equation 2. And now if you simplify this equation, x minus 4y equal to minus 4, right? And similarly this equation becomes x minus 3y equal to 1. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay? So now x minus 3y is 1, x minus 4y equal to minus 4. These are the two equations. If you resolve these two equations, you will find by graphical method, you can find an intersecting point which is x and y, that is the number of students and benches. Okay? So if you find the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, straight away they are not equal, so they are intersecting lines. Okay? So for you to give you an answer, so I will quickly solve this. So if I deduct from this, that becomes y. Y becomes 5. Then y is 5 and x becomes the 16. That means 16 students and 5 benches. So that's the answer. Okay. So that concludes the exercise 4.1. Okay, that concludes the exercise 4.1. There are total 9 problems, and there are various problems that you can do as homework in 1 and 2. And from 3rd to 9, they are all descriptive problems where you need to understand the problem and derive the equation. First you identify the variables, and then you put the equation with the relationship whatever is given in the problem. So understanding that relationship between the variables and putting that as an equation is key for getting these problems correct. If you write these equations wrong, then everything goes wrong. Okay, so be careful. So understand the problem clearly. If you have any doubts, you can come back to me. Okay, but you need to understand how to write these equations correctly. Okay, so fine then. So thanks everyone. Thanks for listening to and watching this video, and have a good day. And I will connect again with the next exercises we have in the pairs of linear equations, pairs of linear equation in 2 variables chapter. So we will, in the next session, we will learn about the 4.2 and 4.3 exercises. With that, we will conclude this chapter. Thank you everyone.